Hi everyone, Daniel here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use the transpose function in Microsoft Excel. And what does transpose do? Transpose converts your data that is arranged horizontally into a vertical ordered arranged data, and it also takes your data that is arranged horizontally into a vertical list, a vertical order. So follow me as I show you what I mean. So right now I'm gonna type in some details in an horizontal format, and then I'm gonna convert it into a vertical list and do the same again. So here I have the first name, and I have the last name. So here the first name goes to Brian Tracy um, Junior David um, Jordan Wells. So the last name apps David Tracy, David David Finn, Jordan Michael, and um, Wells. Look. So here what I want to do is I want to convert this list from horizontal into a vertical order. So I can do it in two ways. I can copy and transpose, and I can also use the function, the transpose function. So here I'm going to show you the two ways that we can use it. So the first thing is you copy this. There are two ways you can copy. You can hit on the control and press Ctrl C to copy, or you can come to the home tab here, and under the clipboard ribbon select the copy, and you come to where you want to transpose your data into, and right click on your mouse, then click on paste special, and tick the transpose box like you can see here. Tick the box and select OK. So you see my data has been transposed into a vertical order. So here I want to delete this. So I want to add phone number to this list. Email address. Email address. So I have Brian.Tracy T at gmail.com. I have Junior Halves. So let me do that. So here I have my I have the first name list, the email address. So what I want to do is I want to transpose this from this format into an horizontal format. So here I can click on the Ctrl C, then come to wherever I want to paste this, and right click like I did earlier and select the paste special and tick the transpose box and select OK. So you see my data has been transposed in a vertical, horizontally. So I can delete this. So the next thing is I'm going to show you how you can transpose data from an horizontal list into a vertical list, and vice versa with the use of function, which is the transpose function. So the first thing you need to do before you can use the transpose function is to highlight the cell, the content of the cell you want to transpose. That's why most people prefer to use the copy option, because you don't really need to select the cell, the range you want to copy, you want to paste, you want to transpose into. So since this is selected, I'm gonna press my equal sign, then type in the function transpose. So Microsoft Excel is asking me to select my array, like you can see here, and my array is the my table details here. So once that is selected, I close the parentheses. Well, I wouldn't advise you to hit enter immediately. What you need to do is hold the control, the shift, and press enter. So you see my data has been converted from this horizontal list into this vertical list just with a function. So the next thing I want to do is um, Okay, so let me show you this. One thing is, once I delete this, this also get deleted. And the reason why for this is because the function here is referring to this data in this list. So once this data is clean, this will also be deleted. That's why most people prefer to use the copy option and the paste option to transpose their data. So I'm gonna paste this as numbers, so it won't refer to this table array anymore. So I'm gonna paste this. So delete this. So the next thing I want to do is I want to transpose this data from this vertical list into an horizontal format. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight the cell, the range of a cell that's exactly like this. So if I have my first name, my last name, and my email address in this three range here, so I'm going to have the Brian Jr., David, Jordan, and Wells in the other list here. So I have up to 5 names. So 4, 5. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna select 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there, I'm gonna press my equal sign and type in the function transpose and select my table array. So there I have my data, my table array selected, and just like I told you earlier, you don't press the enter, you hold the control, hold the shift, and hit enter. So just like that, my data has been replicated in this format. But don't remember, it is always advisable to use the copy and transpose option, because if I make changes to this will also be affected. But let me try the other way with the copy option. So if I copy this and come to wherever I want to transpose it and select my mouse, right click on my mouse and click on paste special and select the transpose option. So when I select OK, you see my data has been transposed, and if I delete this, it's not really referring to the data up here. So that's one advantage of using transpose in copy mode. Okay, so if you enjoyed my video, I want you to give it a like and a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Thank you. My name is Daniel.